French onion soup is a classic and comforting dish that is perfect for any occasion. In this recipe, we'll show you how to make a delicious French onion soup in just 5 easy steps. For this recipe, you'll need 5 large onions, thinly sliced, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 4 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of dry white wine, 2 bay leaves, salt and pepper to taste, French bread sliced, and gruyere cheese grated. To start, heat the butter and olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onions and cook until they become golden brown and caramelized, stirring occasionally. This should take about 30-40 minutes. Once the onions are caramelized, add the minced garlic and cook for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Then, add the beef broth, dry white wine, bay leaves, salt, and pepper to taste. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. While the soup is simmering, preheat your oven to 400 F. Slice the French bread and place it on a baking sheet. Toast the bread in the oven until it becomes golden brown and crispy, about 5-7 minutes. Remove the bread from the oven and sprinkle the grated gruyere cheese on top of each slice. Return the bread to the oven and let it broil until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once the soup has finished simmering, remove the bay leaves and ladle the soup into oven-safe bowls. Place the cheesy bread on top of each bowl, and then place the bowls under the broiler until the cheese is melted and golden brown. Serve the soup hot and enjoy the delicious flavor.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.